welcome to Healing with Kira. My name is Stephanie Ajayi. On this episode, we are going to be talking about poverty. I'm so happy we are talking about this today. I don't know why I'm just so excited. Things that poverty can actually limit you to, the disadvantages of poverty. People don't really talk about it enough. But poverty in our society today has made so many youth to get themselves involved in things they've never wished to do, things they never thought they would ever do. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Without no further ado, let's dive in. Poverty can actually prevent you from having a proper education. Yes. Imagine you want to go to school and you can't afford to pay your tuition fee. You can't even afford the money to register. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that insane? Isn't that poverty? Do you know how draining it can be when you see your mates going to school, when you see your friends going to school and you can't afford to? Jesus! Imagine you have a little child and you want to send that child to school and you can't because you are poor, because you don't have money. You can't send that child to school to get the proper education, to get the right education that they deserve. Because you have limited resources. It's not like you're not trying your best. Okay, don't get me wrong. It's not like you're not doing everything you can, but you just cannot afford enough money to send that child to school. Now, let's not even talk about people that don't have parents, that need to struggle on their own to go to school or to get to the top or to be where they want to be. Okay? Do you know how difficult it is? Do you know the struggle? Do you know the pain you will go through? Jesus! So many people in the society today, so many young people, so many old people that wish to go to school were unable to do that because they didn't have no money. They didn't have enough resources to go to school. Poverty can actually limit you from having the right health care. Imagine you're sick. Imagine you have an emergency that has to do with your health and you need to go to the hospital and you can't because you have limited resources, because you don't have enough money. Imagine you have to lose a loved one just because you are unable to afford hospital bills. It's insane and it's crazy if you want to think about it. You will go into depression because of lack of money. Lack of money, poverty can actually drain you emotionally. Poverty can make you do things you never ever thought you would do in your entire life. There are so many young men and women you see on the street today, they never wish to be there. So many of them don't like what they are doing, but they just want to do it for survival. They just want to do it just to get that little change to survive, not because they love what they're doing. There are so many people that are working that do not love their jobs, but they just want to do it for the money. It's not like they have the drive. It's not like they have the passion for it. They just want to do it because, oh, I want to get myself out of poverty. So yes, this is an opportunity. I should grab it. I should hold it. Poverty can actually limit you from having great opportunities. Poverty can actually limit you from meeting the right people. People that will change your life. People that will take you to the next phase of your life. Poverty will limit you from meeting those people. There are so many people that want to start up a business. There's so many people that want to become a fashion designer. There's so many people that want to be an artist. There's so many people that want to be different kinds of things. Doctors, name them, lawyer. But they can't. Why? Because there is no money. When poverty is involved in your life, you go backwards. You see others going forward. Why? You are not moving forward. You're going backward. And then you'll be like, why is my life like this? Why are things not working for me? It is because you were poor. And in our society today, a lot of people don't like saying, oh, I'm poor, oh, I'm broke. You know why? Because they will be mocked, they will be laughed at because they are poor. So many times, a lot of people don't even like to talk about it. Don't even like to say, oh, I'm poor, help me, I need help. So if you know you are poor, make sure you drop your pride and ask for help from people you know that can actually help you. Drop your pride. I repeat, drop your pride. There is no award for suffering, darling. Nobody is going to reward you for suffering. There is no award anywhere for that. Okay? There is no reward for suffering. You're only going to go through pain, agony, sorrow, hardship. You will keep losing opportunities if you were poor. So make sure you get yourself out of there, because no one's coming to save you, my dear. Only you can do it. And having the right people in your life, it's gonna make things so easy for you. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk to you. I hope and I pray that you get yourself out of that poverty. Your growth matters a lot. You're definitely going to grow. You just need to give yourself time. Thank you so much for listening. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Till we meet again.